Olive oil and sea salt are staples in most homes. They're the key to simple pastas, luscious cakes, and savory preserves. But their benefits don't stop there. Did you know that this pair is packed with healthy potential? They can support digestion, help maintain healthy heart function, and help regulate weight. What's more, they're among the best ingredients for natural home remedies. Olive oil comes from the olive fruit and contains monounsaturated fatty acids. Fatty acids in olive oil seem to decrease cholesterol levels and have anti-inflammatory effects. Olive oil is commonly used in foods. As medicine, people most commonly use olive oil for heart disease, diabetes, and high blood pressure. It is also used for high cholesterol, cancer, memory and thinking skills, migraine, obesity, and many other conditions. This newfound excitement is not without reason. There are actually some pretty amazing health benefits associated with regular consumption of olive oil. Better digestion. The first thing you might notice once you start taking olive oil on an empty stomach is a dramatic improvement in your digestion. Olive oil is said to essentially line your gut, soften the stool and, as a result, relieve constipation. Steady blood sugar levels. Say it with us. Fat is good. It's absolutely key to your diet and absorbing nutrients. So why not start your day with the healthiest type? Having fats in the morning slows down the absorption of any carbs and sugars we might consume later on. When your blood sugar is not suddenly spiked, you will avoid the afternoon slumps and shield yourself from the triggers of diabetes. So taking a spoon of extra virgin olive oil before any other food might just help with steadier energy levels as well as fend off those powerful sugar cravings. Gut health and immunity. Studies show that our gut health has an immense impact on our well-being. The good kind of gut bacteria can influence our mood, weight and our body's ability to fight sickness and diseases. Extra virgin olive oil is your little helper here. It stimulates the growth of the beneficial bacteria and reduces the bad ones. It should work best when you have it first thing in the morning, as absorption of the nutrients will be higher after the night-long fast our bodies naturally undergo. Anti-inflammatory properties. To shield ourselves from these negative effects of modern lifestyle, we can alter the way we eat and the things we consume. EVOO contains an anti-inflammatory compound oleocanthal that acts similarly to a low dose of ibuprofen. Incorporating daily intake of extra virgin olive oil into our diets would significantly reduce the incidence of chronic inflammatory disease states. Now let's talk about sea salt benefits when mixed with olive oil. People around the world have used sea salt since prehistoric times, and it's commonly found in many kitchens today. Some people believe it's healthier than other types of salt and provides several benefits. When it combined with olive oil, these benefits will be manifold: hydration, blood pressure, and more. In general, salt can help you maintain adequate hydration and blood pressure levels. Since sodium plays a vital role in fluid balance, not getting enough of it can lead to dehydration, especially during high-intensity exercise. Having proper fluid balance in the body is also important for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Therefore, consuming either too little or too much sodium can lead to changes in blood pressure in those who are sensitive to dietary salt. Digestion. Some believe that consuming sea salt mixed with lukewarm water aids digestion. Chloride is necessary to produce stomach acid, and sodium chloride, salt, facilitates the absorption and transportation of nutrients in the intestines after they have been broken down during digestion. Therefore, consuming enough salt promotes optimal digestive health. Skin health and inflammation. Taking a sea salt bath is thought to decrease skin dryness and inflammation. In fact, the National Eczema Foundation recommends adding 1 cup of salt to bathwater to help relieve irritation from eczema, a condition marked by red, itchy skin. However, it's unclear how and whether salt baths help decrease skin inflammation, as well as whether sea salt, in particular, exerts any specific effects. How do you mix salt and oil? Mixing is easy. Just stir. If you want it to stay longer, though not permanently, as a macroscopically homogeneous suspension, first grind the salt to a fine powder. But if you want to actually dissolve the salt, you have a challenge. Oils have generally zero or very low polarity, which makes them better at dispersing covalent bonds, while salts and their solutions are of high polarity, characterized by the breaking of ionic bonds.